Alright, let's solve the 2D Leetcode problem. So the 2D Leetcode problem is finding the length of the largest common prefix. We are given like array 1 and array 2. So a prefix of the positive integer is the integer found by the one or more digits, starting at the leftmost digits. So if we want to find the longest common prefix, so we try to understand the real definition of the problem first. So let's consider like we have two array 1, 10, 100, and the second array have 1000. So what could be the longest prefix we could have? That is 100, which is quite similar and have common across two array, and then we have to return the count of that. And the same for the example 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4, 4. Since there is no common prefix, so we can simply return that 0 in here. So in between is the explanation about what is the common prefix of two integer a and b, and the integer c is a common prefix such that c should include both a and b. So in here example we are given like 5655359 and 56554. So it could be the 5655 and 5655 in here. So if we counted that, that would be the 5655. So if 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, there is no common prefix. So we just need to return the longest common prefix in here. And what I can think is, maybe we iteration through like each array and we find the largest prefix in here. Let's consider like num in array 1. So what I want to do is I will check like while num is greater than 0. That is definitely for sure according to their constraint. So we have index start from the 1. So that will always true most of the time. And I want to keep in one data structure called set, which is going to keep track of all the prefixes. Let's call set integer in here. And like this with num. But we want to divide it by 10 in here. Maybe we have to do it like, okay, let's call num going to num. So I just want to make sure that the num here can be changeable, because if in Swift the given value of the variable in the 4 is technically the constant value, so I want to have access to changeable. If slash equal to 10. Oops, that's a fin issue. So what I want to do is, let's consider return 0 in here first and print the prefixes. So that is technically we try to keep track of value like 1, 100, and 10. So just trying to differentiate the same prefix. Don't want to have like a duplication of the prefix in our set first. And then moving on, I will iteration through of the same for the array 2. Let's call num equal to num, and while num is greater than 0, I will check if our prefixes contains the value of num If yes, we're gonna need the one variable called answer to keep track of what is the largest size of our common prefix. What I will do is I will update the answer with maybe convert our num to string so we could count easily like that, and I will break the array, break the loop, because I don't want to keep on going. If not, that will be the same. That should go to 10. Let's try to run it. Should I get the mess between the answer and string? Try it first. What did I do wrong? Oh, okay, silly me. I should return the answer instead of returning 0 most of the time. Alright, I think the space and time complexity will be the O of n log n and m log m. Let's check together. Yep, since we don't use any other extra data structure aside from the set, that will be the O of n log m for the space complexity. For the time complexity, since we run it through from one iteration plus checking the set most of the time, that could create the O of n log m plus m log m. Yep, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then see you in the next one. Bye.